4:30 in the morning, and we are getting the taxi. The boys are the last ones ready. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Have to be quiet. It's 4 a.m. in the morning.
In London. Cousin was coming too. He managed to wake up. Let's go. We're at St Pancras Station.
Harry Potter station.
Oh wait, this is wicked though.
Well, look and see over there. Wow.
Oh, now we gotta see this movie. So this is the international section. It's beautiful. You have to get in line to get through.
There is a long line.
Hi.
Welcome. We are no longer London. We are now French.
Where?
You're now French.
Not yet.
Don't stoop that low.
So that's where we have to go. We have to wait for passport control.
I'd hope this wouldn't be like going on a plane.
Cause I mean, guys,
Smoothing on
go
the
subscribe to Creature Crochet Studios.
Excuse
Oh
me.
my gosh, yeah, that was the whole reason why I did this thing. Oh my gosh.
First step is you scan your ticket. Luca is already on the other side. We are still all here
Luca is leaving
without us.
I told this morning, Luca, if you don't wake up, I'm gonna leave you here. Oh, so he wake up and he came with us.
And he's in first in line. Now we have to go through passport control. Oh no, bags.
No.
We got through passports. First you do the exit from the UK and then you enter France. And now we just wait in this big room full of people till 20 minutes before boarding, and then they let us go on the train.
Wait. When we go on this train, are we gonna go outside, open the door, and get inside the train?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay.
It's only 5:46, so we're waiting here for like an hour, and it's packed. On the ticket, it says to arrive less than 90 minutes before. Don't arrive too much earlier because they're not going to let you in. And because once you get through all the other stuff, you have to wait in this hallway until 20 minutes before the departure, which means that if there's the train before, you're gonna just be standing. Now we're sitting because everybody went to their train. Don't come way too early.
It's not like the airport.
No.
It's really chill, much easier and faster.
You have to go through security. They put all the bags, everything, but it's
But you
kind
don't
of
have to take out
pretty quick.
anything.
That's a tip for who they're clueless like we were. So when they finally call you to board, they tell you which is your platform, and that's when you go up. And this is ours. A few more coaches to go. We're going in.
Attention à la fermeture automatique des portes.
Go to France.
Vous trouverez des consignes de sécurité à l'entrée de
Cosimo and I
chaque
are sitting in the
voiture.
wrong
Merci.
direction.
Yeah, we are.
We're going backwards
I thought it looks like we're going forwards. I mean, I don't know. We haven't started going.
Or maybe, yeah. I don't know if this thing... Goodbye, London.
London is the place to be.
Not anymore. So we won't see much, and I had been told that from other people that it wasn't that exciting. And it,
Oh, but you don't even. It doesn't even feel like the train is moving. It feels like it's staying still. Am I right? That's crazy.
feels like it's going fast.
It feels like it's staying still.
But we're already down, so we're not going to show you anything because we're not going to see anything, I think. But we are off 2 hours on this train. Since I can't see a thing outside, I found a solution. Here's the map. We are almost crossing over. So soon we'll be under the water. How cool is that? Cosimo's pretending he's reading while he's actually falling asleep.
Oh, I'm asleep. We're almost underwater.
We're almost very close to Dover. So in case it wasn't clear, this is the Eurostar that goes from London to Paris. It's a 2-hour trip. You don't go through the hassle of the airport. And now it shows that we're here. So we're almost in Paris. We're doing this trip because we're gonna go see their friends. Actually, our friends. We're surprising Oscar. We're stopping today because it's his birthday. Well, it was yesterday. But we couldn't find a train for yesterday. So today. And then we're gonna do a house sit.
don't know where we are.
We made it. Now we just have to go rent a car and drive. Welcome from our very tight car.
Yep.
It was a terrible deal and we barely fit.
No, we'll fit when we don't have any of our suitcases.
Yes, we will. But now we're driving for 5 hours.
No need to sugarcoat it.
We're a bit tired. And we arrived and the welcome wasn't very nice. We found a few very rude people, but then we found a few very kind ones.
So if you're a nice French person, please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, that means you're a mean French person.
No! Now we are in Paris, trying to get out of this city because it's not where we should be today. We got pulled over because we didn't because we didn't realize that we went on the bus lane because it's really confusing. But the policeman was very kind, so there is kindness, and we found some because he let us go because he realized that we're clueless and we're just trying to get out of this city. There's kindness, right, Mas?
Yeah.
Still in this car, still squished. We are on our way to Normandy.
Yay! We've seen about 5 minutes of sun.
Yeah, well, Emma said, where's the sun? And the sun actually came out for her.
It's not.
How many hours is that?
Two.
Maybe 3.
Mas has a pickle with the European cars because
Wait, I want a pickle.
because
Buy pickle. Can
they're
we-
all small for what they charge. They should be way
Excuse me,
bigger.
sir, didn't you grow up in Europe? Weren't you raised?
He wasn't traveling with his
Emma.
Hey,
3 kids.
Newsflash: Dad will no longer go by Dad. He will now go by as Dad.
It's the sunset.
Yay!
Hello.
Hello.
Happy birthday!
We're a little bit delayed.
Okay, so what's the name of the town?
St Mars de Gren.
Some what?
St Mars de Gren.
Go.
Okay, so we're seeing animals here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! We're watching lights. It's all animals. Hi. Betsy, you tell us all about this town.
Like every single year, all the town, basically like
All the town.
all the town, come together. The mayor sort of gives everyone Christmas lights and stuff, and then people do their own Christmas lights, and literally like throughout the whole town.
And they're all
like,
animals.
theme is animals.
And so here are some real animals too.
Instead to go to the shop tomorrow and buy the milk, we're gonna milk the goat
Oh, that makes total
and get
sense.
the fresh milk.
Get goat cheese too. Okay, should we go see more?
Yeah.
All right. You don't want crepe. You're getting crepe.
Are we gonna stop?
Yeah.
Luca, you should probably ask him. He wants crepe.
Yeah, but why are they making crepe here?
Oh, why?
Should we ask Betsy?
Wait, why
Betsy, why are we having
Betsy,
crepe
my tour
here?
guide. I need to know something.
Tell us.
Because they like crepes.
Because it's a way to raise money for the
Oh, that's it.
For the village.
Oh, I knew that.
so
it's a
they
way
do
to
van
raise
shows,
money.
so they do mulled wine, sausages sometimes. Sometimes there's rides here, and it's all to help fund
This.
See, exactly what I said. to help fund the
Exactly.
life.
We're trying to order
We're too many people.
2 million crepe.
Mom, no one ever videos you, but just in case anyone was wondering.
I know.
This
I'm
is-
having mulled wine because it's winter and I want to enjoy the part of winter that is this.
Okay. Luca. Oh, we're getting our crepe. Luca.
Tidy.
Look how cute it is. It's so chubby. Is it good?
What did you get? The cool thing of this is the car, they have a real wheel. All of them.
What's the name of this village?
This is ROUELLE, like the cheese.
ROUELLE. Oh, that's actually very pretty. properly raining to make it even more magical. Oh, there's a hot air balloon!
His mum here is pointing.
Oh, that's so cool! We are officially at the beach on the 3rd of January.
And I live here. And I totally know where I
So
am.
behind on this rock, you saw it before, probably on the picture that Sarah's gonna post it. There is Mont Saint Michel.
Oh, okay.
There is a path that actually you can go inside the water, and their guide that they actually brought you to the water and reach walking distance Mont Saint Michel.
Guides, what's the name of this town?
Carols.
Carols.
Yes,
This is our guide, Betsy.
And this is her other guide.
Yeah.
Who's
And c'est ça la plage de Carols.
Oh, now you speak French.
Yeah.
Seriously.
He's French now.
So we are at the plage.
Merci.
Bonjour, bonjour.
This is the first beautiful day we've had in France since we've been here. And what better thing to do than go to the beach? Although I did say I wanted to go swim, but I don't think I can dare that.
We
because
try.
It's so cold.
It's really cold. It's -1 centigrade today.
But it's worth it. The sky, look at that. When are we going to see this blue sky? Probably in a week when we are
Somewhere else.
in a warmer place. Now, Mas is going to show us the plage from the sky. Especially because we have to find where Oscar and Cosimo went.
Oh, they're down
They're
there.
hiking
really down
their
there.
way. Yes, so we'll show you the beach. The plage. Betsy has to tell us where are we today.
Oh, Rennes.
Okay, we are in Rennes. We're not sure how much we're going to see because it's freezing cold.
You might see a lot of coffee shops.
But we went
And a cute coffee shop called 1802.
and we tested it and we approve.
We approve. It has
And-
matcha.
No.
I approve.
We're probably going to walk to another coffee shop with our guide
And get a
Betsy and
croissant.
her mom, which is our driver today, Sasha. Looks very majestic.
Makes me think of the one that we went to. Lubeck. That had the bells. The bells. Yeah.
In the museum.
No, that's not what it's called.
Then what is it called?
We're inside the church. Found out the bells are actually inside the church, so we came inside. This is so cool. It's such a big church. Am I right? It's a church. After searching for countless months, it finally took us time, but we arrived.
We figured it out. They fell during a bombing in the Second World War.
And they're broken.
And they're broken.
What do you think of the broken bells? They're not real bells. No, they are real bells. That's why we came here. No, they're not.
Yes, I thought the same thing. Okay, We warmed up for 2 minutes in the church.
Yay!
And now we're gonna freeze again in the
church
wind.
was so quiet and so loud.
Yeah, and we needed to talk, so we had to get out.
But just imagine we're on a sunny beach in a sunny place that's not here.
Yeah, good imagination.
Yay!
Go with that.
As you can see, I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer because I have a stuffy nose.
Yeah, you do look
I've been scraping my nose. It's totally fine now. I put my matcha cream on it. I'll be totally fine.
Okay, so this is the main square, I think. Oh, look at the carousel. It's so
There's
pretty.
usually a book market here, but it's too cold.
Too cold. The books are freezing.
Double-decker carousel.
Okay, I love the buildings. I must admit, they're very particular.
Feels like we're in a movie.
I know.
Movie scene. My hands are turning red too, guys. I don't.
I know we're not really giving a good insight on this city, but it's really cold, guys.
Very challenging. Very cold. Very challenging. What are we talking about?
I was saying how we're not giving a great, you know, description of this town.
I'm sorry, but as our friends say, we always come to France in the cold.
We don't seem to find our way here in the summer.
Oh, my hand.
Look at this. But this street looks really cute. What is this? See, the building is like it's coming out. Apparently, there's a lot of vintage shops in France.
Rennes has quite a lot of vintage shops,
And they have candy here.
But it's very university. It's a university city.
Oh,
so
this is okay.
there's a lot of students.
So there we have a new insight on Rennes because we're not giving great information. And this is a teddy bear shop. Oh, look at them. They're kind of creepy though.
Yeah, because
Chess.
I don't
They're
know.
shrinking and then coming back.
Can you two do it? Why everything moves in this place?